Have you ever wondered how things like colored pencil, Coca-Cola, and toothpaste are made? A lot of people ask this question. That's why videos that show how to do these kind of things get millions of views. And what if I tell you that you also can create this kind of video on YouTube and get millions of views just by using AI tools? You don't need to go to a factory or use expensive machines. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can produce this kind of content. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with a famous video about making colored pencil. It got 12 million views in 5 years. That's old. So let me show you something more newer. A video about making colored pencil got 1.2 million views in just 2 months, and another one got 1.5 million views in just 3 months. If you think these are from big channels, think again. Let me show you something. The Mercury channel has only 500 subscribers but got over 23,000 views on one video, and there's another channel, the Processors HD, with just 351 subscribers but has videos with over 10,000 views. So as you can see, there's a real potential right here, and we can make content like this together and right now. Alright, so the step number one, we are going to be using ChatGPT. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is to type in, can you describe the process of making colored pencil? Then ChatGPT will give us the full answer. And as you can see how ChatGPT is detailing everything for us. And since we are still on ChatGPT, let's ask the second question. Next, we ask ChatGPT, can you create a script for each scene to turn this into a video? Be sure to number each scene. Alright, as you can see now, we have a script for each part of the video, and ChatGPT even gives us what to say in the voiceover. Alright, let me explain to you for you to understand clearly what we have right here. We first have the script that will help us to get the videos. That's the main content. Now ChatGPT gives us another script, which is the voiceover, what has to be said in the video. So that's very powerful. So step number two, creating images with AI. Next, we still use ChatGPT or Y to create prompts to make images. So what we see is very simple. Create an English prompt for each scene to generate visuals using an AI image generator. Make them look realistic. And within a sec, as you can see, we now have the prompt for each scene. So now we are going to use is to generate the images. We are going to use an AI to call PicLumen. Most of you already know this platform. So what we are going to do is very simple. We paste the prompt into the app and get the images of the scene we want. Alright, as you can see, it's very simple to do. There's nothing complicated right here. Alright, so we repeat this for every scene, and boom, as you can see, the images come out looking amazing. Then step number three, animating the images. Once we have the images, we can now animate them using another AI tool called Cling. And I also know that most of you already know this platform, but I'll still be trying my best to leave all the website links in the description so you can get them easily. Alright, so what we do is simple. We upload our images, and in a short time we get videos of colored pencil being made. It looks like we are right in a factory. So step number four, adding a voiceover. Next, we need voiceover, and if you are familiar with this kind of content, you already know that it's 11 labs we are going to use in this video, right? So what we are going to do is very simple. We will use ChatGPT again to get the voiceover script that it gave us. Alright, then paste it into 11 labs, a tool that turns text into a speech if you don't know. Now we have a professional sounding voiceover to explain what's happening in the video. Step number 5, editing the video. Next, we need to put everything together, and for that, obviously, we are using CapCut. So once inside CapCut, simply import the visual and the voiceover you created, alright, and then drag them here into the editor. Now you need to place everything on the timeline below. Just drag the clips and drop them in. Then next thing to do is very simple, to sync it. Alright, sync the visuals with the voiceover. I'll let you handle that part. It's very easy. You just need to sync everything just needs to be perfect. Alright, so but one thing that can actually add value is subtitles. So for that, go to text section and click on auto caption. Choose French or English depending on your video's language, and then hit generate. After a few moments, you see subtitles appear on your video, and that's how you can make a great video, a killer video. And also, if you want, you can also add a background music. Alright, so once you made your final tweak and you are happy with the result, go now to menu, then files and export. Make sure your video is in 1080p and 30 fps. That'll be more than enough, alright, for this, and then click on export. Now it's time to go and publish your video and wait to get your massive results. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you loved it. If you do so, please do subscribe, like this video and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.